They have to explain as to why they have not taken the same stand in respect of the teachers. Because paragraph 31 of the Supreme Court is same.
No, as of now, whether the candidates who were appointed after the expiry of the panel have been included or not, you do not know.
Yes, because it has to. They have the documents. They can
The
scrutinize the.
coming up with a fresh panel is also this.
My instruction, so far as C Group T is concerned, that no one was appointed after expiry of the panel.
Oh, let it come on record then. I'll substantiate.
That is number one. That is my first submission. So far as the issue that is being sought to be canvassed, we are covered by this document in respect of teachers where Mr. Riley also had the occasion to appear.
That I'll show. I have annexed everything. It is there. It is the first matter. There, my lord, the teacher's issue was that first question was what put to me by the court was.
Better that you file a report. What are the issues primarily?
Primarily issue is I am challenging the
List.
saying that persons who should have been included have not been included, and persons who should not have been included, like us,
The
have
list
been.
has not been properly prepared.
Yes, list is challenged. It may be in both ways. That is not, my lord. I have annexed that, my lord. That is distinguishable. Yes, that is distinguishable. In fact, I moved that.
Yes.
Oh, no, not this. Oh, yes. Teachers matter. What was the first question put to me was what were you doing after you were excluded on 17th May order? On 17th May, the commission went up to the Honorable Supreme Court. I have annexed the order, but Lordship remembers. I will not trouble your Lordship. On 17th May, the commission had approached the Supreme Court saying that we are not being able to run our institution. Kindly allows us to continue with the services of the Group D, Group C, teaching staff, everyone. The Honorable Supreme Court was of the view that since Group D, Group C, the percentage was higher, we will not allow them to continue, the teachers will continue. So from 17th May, the teachers knew that they are somewhat in the tentative list. Now, when the tentative list was published, when it was challenged, the first question which was put to me by the Honorable Bench was that what were you doing from May? Why have you come now? On that point, my lord, the single bench held against me. We had approached the Honorable Division Bench. Honorable Division Bench upheld the order. But in this case, the my lord, Group D, Group C candidates were all through. My lord, this is for the first time they have come to know that they have been included in the tentative list. So therefore, on facts and on the place, the order, if your lordship sees, that is the reasoning of the order passed by the Honorable Single Bench. I have annexed the order of the Honorable Division Bench. I can draw your lordship's kind attention, my lord, quickly to that part. So therefore, teachers' matters is totally.
Petitioners allege that
Only one part, my lord, if your lordship is minded of directing filing of report, they should specify as to whether they have included the expiry panel candidates in this list or not. Other reports, yes, they have the right to, my lord, say whatever they like, but this point has to be clarified. Because if they say that we have not included, one kind of argument. If they say they have included,
This is the document. Not in 2019, this is the document where the panel expired. We have not appointed anyone who expired.
let this come on record. I will not go into oral arguments.
this must be there in the website.
Yes, it is
also.
there in the Supreme Court. It is there, my lord. I have, my lord. It is there in this 11,000 compilation. This was
That
there.
panel and waiting list in
Expired.
relation to third RLST for recruitment of such and such expired on 18th May
Yes, Lordship has
2019.
been handed over a document of 2nd September 2019. It was there before the page 2463.
So,
Let them say whatever they want. Let it come on record so that I can deal it. They have to take a stand.
when was the list of tainted candidates in Group C, Group D published?
Group C, Group D, the impugned list. The impugned list, my lord, if your lordship sees, there is no date. But, my lord,
3rd November.
it was published on
2025.
3rd November, yes. same footing like us. They are.
কিছু বলেছিল?
What's the phrase?
The petitioners,
কাজ না পেয়ে গেছে, কাজ না পেয়ে।
the petitioners challenged the list of tainted candidates. In respect of Group C and Group D, for recruitment in 2nd SLST 2025. Specific submission is that the list has not been properly prepared. Stop. The candidates whose names ought to have been included in the list have been illegally and arbitrarily excluded.
Expiry and others. Yes, that is my submission. That is my submission. Sorry.
The candidates who have been excluded ought to have been included in the list. Stop. Next. The list which is impugned herein was published on 3rd of February
November
or 3rd